why do you call me a tribalist? Ask yourself that question honestly. Is it tribalism to speak when your people are being slaughtered? Is it tribalism to cry it out when innocent civilians are bombed? Is it tribalism to refuse silence while children, women, and elderly are targeted? Tell me, would you allow your own people to be killed and remain silent? Would you watch them be bombed from the sky and say nothing? Would you support the very person who is killing your people? If your answer is no, then why do you expect me to be silent? You call me a tribalist because I refuse to accept injustice, but this is not about tribe. This is about life. This is about humanity. This is about right and wrong. You tell me to be a nationalist while my own people are being targeted. How can anyone claim nationalism when their people are hunted, displaced, and killed? What kind of nationalism demands silence in the face of mass suffering? If you choose loyalty to power over loyalty to innocent life, then you are not a nationalist. If you defend a leader while your people are being killed, then you are not a patriotic. If you preach peace while supporting violence, then you are a hypocrite. And let me say this clearly: supporting the killing of civilians is not politics. Supporting bombing and massacre is not unity. Supporting injustice is not humanity. If you can watch your people die and still clap for their killer, then you have betrayed them. You have betrayed your conscience, and you have betrayed humanity itself. I speak not because I hate others, but because I value life. I speak because silence in the face of evil is also a crime. This is not tribalism. This is resistance to injustice. This is standing with the innocent. This is being human. So, I'm telling you to be human.